Hi there, I'm Jonas, and in today's video, I'm going to shed some light on why the 6-day Machame and 5-day Marangu routes on Kilimanjaro should be avoided for beginners, given their poor acclimatization profiles and excessive physical demands. You may stumble upon travel recommendations claiming that the 6-day Machame or 5-day Marangu itineraries are the perfect starting points for beginners who are eager to conquer Kilimanjaro. While there are undoubtedly inspiring success stories for the average adventurer lacking prior acclimatization experience, these routes can prove to be incredibly challenging and even overwhelming. So let's explore why. On the 4th day of the 6-day Machame route, hikers trek from Barranco Camp at 3,960 meters straight to Barafu's summit camp at 4,640 meters. This difficult 11-kilometer stretch usually takes 7 to 10 hours to complete. It's exhausting, especially since you'll be summiting Uhuru Peak that very night and then hike back down to Millennium Camp, covering another 15 kilometers. In about 30 hours, hikers have to trek over 26 kilometers at over 4,000 meters elevation with only 4 to 5 hours of sleep, which is simply too demanding for most beginners. In contrast, a 7-day variation of the Machame route includes an overnight stay at the Karanga camp at 4,035 meters. This extra night is crucial for proper acclimatization and recovery before the summit night, transforming the Machame experience from inherently demanding to moderately challenging and thus suitable for beginners. A 6-day Marangu route can be a good option for hikers, including beginners. However, the 5-day variation should be avoided unless you're an experienced climber with good acclimatization before your Kilimanjaro adventure. The 5-day Marangu route skips an essential extra acclimatization day at Horombo Camp on the 3rd day of the expedition. This is physically taxing. Starting at Marangu Gate at 1,860 meters, hikers move to Mandara Hut at 2,700 meters, and then to Horombo at about 3,700 meters, and finally to Kibo's Summit Camp at 4,700 meters, where they arrive in the evening and summit on the same night, reaching Uhuru Peak at 5,895 meters. Simply put, gaining about 1,000 meters every day is too much for a beginner. An extra day at Horombo Camp with an acclimatization hike makes this experience considerably smoother and easier. Instead of these routes, consider our beginner-friendly recommended 7-day Lemosho, Machame, and Rongai routes, or even their longer variations. The Northern Circuit is also an excellent option. Our experience shows that 7-day plus routes feature significantly higher summit success rates, with over 95% of all hikers reaching the summit successfully. That wraps up this video. Thanks for watching along. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and stay tuned for more informative videos just like this one.